I just used this earlier in the shower and I love this. Okay, so it was sent to me. It's basically reminds me of like a body scrub, but for your scalp and for your hair. Smells really nice too. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna just kind of put it on the back of my palm so you can see. So it's a bit gritty in there, but what you would do is you massage it into your scalp when your hair is wet. And it really helps remove like any buildup or dirt or grime you may have. I know I like to go about a week between washing my hair. So by the last day, it's usually pretty dirty, especially a lot of dry shampoo in there. So you use this and then you're just gonna rinse it out. It comes out and follow up with your favorite conditioner or hair mask or both. So I have actually used a hair mask after, and now I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair and I'll show you the after. And done. This really has helped my hair just feel so clean and my scalp feel really, really clean. Definitely recommend the wild ginger scrub. I think you're going to love this.